Mastering English phrases. Whip something up. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used phrase, whip something up. This phrase is a great example of how English can be colorful and metaphorical. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Whip something up is an idiomatic expression in English. To understand its meaning, it's helpful to look at the words individually. Whip often refers to a quick or swift action, while up, in this context, can imply creation or completion. When combined, the phrase generally means to quickly create something or put something together. It's often used in informal settings and can refer to a variety of actions. One of the most common contexts where you'll hear, whip something up, is in cooking. When someone says they're going to whip something up, they mean they'll quickly prepare a meal or a dish. For example, I don't have much time, but I can whip up some sandwiches. This indicates preparing sandwiches swiftly and with ease. The usage of whip something up isn't limited to cooking. It can be used in various other scenarios to imply quickly creating or organizing something. For instance, if someone says, "Let me whip up a presentation for tomorrow's meeting," they mean to prepare the presentation quickly and efficiently. It's important to note the casual and informal nature of this phrase. It often implies that the result won't be perfect or elaborate but will be adequate for the purpose. The phrase also carries a connotation of resourcefulness and spontaneity, suggesting the ability to create something good from limited resources or under time constraints. To solidify your understanding, let's look at some examples. 1. I didn't expect guests, but I can whip up a quick meal. 2. Our team had only an hour to whip up a solution to the problem. 3. Can you whip up a summary of this report for me? That's whip something up for you, a versatile and descriptive phrase in the English language. Remember, it's all about quick and efficient action, often used in informal settings. We hope this video has been helpful in enhancing your English vocabulary and understanding of idiomatic expressions. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be whipping up English phrases with ease. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.